Here I have a Trane Voyager system that's completely flat on charge. So I'm going to go ahead and pump it up with nitrogen. And take this off easy for me. I pressurize it with nitrogen so I can look for the leaks. Usually would have my gauges, my manifold gauges hooked up, but they're down there on another unit. I'm on the vacuum on another leak repair I just did. Got 3 particular units leaking today. I found 2 leaks. Got to fix that one over there too. That one's got a leak over there on the reversing valve. This one's suspected to be around the reversing valve as well because of all the oil that is accumulated. It's up to about 150. Oh, good. First thing you do is turn the music off from the headphones so you can hear the hit. Okay, I actually hear I think I hear it leaking. On these trains I like to either leak where the tubes rub. Yeah, they must have copied that from Goodman, although at least they tried to secure them. Looks like somebody's made a repair right here. I'm going to try using the electronic leak detector, although there's hardly any refrigerant left in the system. Usually if it's difficult to find leak, I'll put a pound of refrigerant in there, then build up the pressure with nitrogen. But, hold-y-do. Definitely leaking right in that area. Okay. We get a suspected area. Cool. Let's spray the bubbles. Look, it's in the blind spot. Look at here. By the way, this is a custom mirror. It's already broken. Don't see anything yet. I think I'm going to have to get inside this unit. It's definitely going down in nitrogen. More. Yeah. The more nitrogen you put in there, the more obvious the leak is. 250, here we come. Damn, it's a windy day today. Oh, I can hear that pig leaking now. And I can feel it. Believe it or not, sometimes after you get too much pressure in there, it's hard to pinpoint with bubbles. Come on, more. I know you're leaking in there somewhere. Definitely leaking on the reverse valve. Oh yeah. I think they're leaking on the middle one. Then it's leaking on the tube. Well, that makes it pretty obvious, don't it? Just taking that off in the first place. How about that? Watch this. I think we found the leak. Yep. we'll be replacing this reversing valve. Leaked our little tube that goes into the little pilot body. I really wanted to try to fix it, because that's probably steel. Probably steel going like this. Okay. I've leak detected 3 units, found all leaks. Alright. Back for another day. It's overcast, but the rain has stopped for right now. The South Mountain on the southeast side of that. Got me a new reversing valve to install. It's going to go right there. First thing I'm going to do is clean up copper. Let's just see this. Anywhere refrigerant leaks, there's always a pile of dirt because there's a refrigerant oil circulating in the system. It's like getting a leaky valve cover on a Chevy. You're going to have quite the mess. Gotta clean all that shit up. Okay, I've got the new reversing valve temporarily in place. Next thing to do would be to add a wet rag to wrap around it so you don't cook the internals. There's a paper towel that I got soaking wet. I'm going to roll that up and wrap the valve with it. Okay, got the rag soaked and wrapped around the act like a heat sink. Keep cooking that valve. And then I'm going to slowly bleed through a little bit of nitrogen into the high side and let it slowly blow out the low side. While I'm welding.
What the bloody hell was that?